Hello, good day everyone. My name is Mark Reyes and I'm the lead sales agent for Import Parts Hub. We've been working on this 6'9" bay window bus. Um, we did mechanical repairs, aircon installation, and engine rebuild. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. Cabin. So we replaced all four shock absorbers, checked all the check the brake system, replaced the ball joints, replaced the tie rods. So this is the engine, a 1691cc. Bore and stroke is 69.5 by 88. Carburetor is Weber 34 ICT with Magnus Spark ignition system. Exhaust system is vintage Speed Classic Superflow. We are the exclusive dealer here in the Philippines of vintage Speed products from Taiwan. We'll start up the engine now. So there it is. It is ready for delivery now. And that's it. Good day, everyone. If you like our content, please like and subscribe to our channel. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.